And this one is the bigger one, which is 1.8 meters in width. And we do have the smaller one. It's 1.6 in width. If you do not have the enough space, you can choose a smaller one. Well, you may have the question, what is the advantages or differences of the vending machine, XY vending machine compared with the spiral vending machine? Okay, the first, I think, also it's important, is the high adaptability. Why I see this? Okay, this is the slot divider we can see in the vending machine. Okay, this one is fully mechanical, and it's very easy to adjust it or move it without any tool. So we can adjust the dividers and the slot depend on the shapes and also the sizes of the commodities you sell. Okay. We can see we can support up to 70% of the commodities you can buy in the convenience store. And if your commodity is very long or big, like this biscuit, okay, we have another solutions. You see, this is the extended plate, and it's shorter than the biscuit. I'm adding one piece. Okay, we already have 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm adding the 5th piece, like this. Okay, it's done, and very easy to push the biscuit. So now you can understand what we can sell in the vending machine. Beverages and snacks, for sure. Every vending machine can do this. And PPE, like face mask, pharmacies, cosmetics, art toys, and also the 3C products, like this is the, e-cig. Okay, now the second features, I think, is the reliability. And I just explained the slot divider is fully mechanical. We do not have any electronic parts on it. Well, for the spiral vending machines, every spiral is run by a motor and its electronic parts. So we will understand the failure ratio is a little bit higher for the spiral vending machine. And the third feature, I think, is it's very easy to refill. You see, for the if we use a spiral vending machine like this, we must refill the products one by one like this. Okay, one by one. It will waste your time. Sorry. Well, if we use XY vending machine, we can refill one slot one time. It saves us a lot of time. Just put this all together into the end of the slot. So everything done. Okay. It's easy and time saving. The 5th feature is space saving. Okay, let's take Coca-Cola for example. You can see in the XY vending machine, in this slot, there's 6 bottles of Coca-Cola. Okay, 6. So every bottle stand on the shelf one by one, tightly, without any space wasting. Okay. And let's move to the spiral vending machine. Here. See? If we refill the full slot, it only can be 4 bottles in most. Okay, with the XY vending machine, we also can have a better shopping experience because, as you can see, the commodity outlet is by the end of the machine. So we do not need to bend down to pick up your commodity. And also the bucket move to the commodities you just purchased and go out from this outlet, not drop down directly like the spiral vending machine. So it's especially good for the high-valued products and also the cosmetics, which is fragile and high-valued. Now we have the glass bottle sold in the vending machine. You can see it's very safe because non-drop off. Okay, I just introduced to you the features of our hardware, and also we do have very functional software as well. As you can see over there, that is on board of the platform. The operators, one of our local operators, choose the most popular things he sell in the vending machine. You can see this is his fields, okay? And this is his inventories. It's real-time data. And you can see the data are changing every second, okay? And this is the total quantity of the vending machines he installed in our local city. And this you just saw is the Chinese version. For the overseas market, we do have the English version for our customers in our overseas market. It has the same functions. I will show you on my PC. Okay. So you can check the machine status at the back platform and manage your inventory. Make your route planning is for the operators, this function, okay? And get the real-time sales report. Have the dispense control and identifications. As some of the touch screen is vertically installed and or horizontally, so this is also flexible in our software. You can make it horizontal or vertical. And also your operators or brand owners, you can upload your videos for advertisement and promotions on the touch screen. Okay, like this. It is what our operators do. And also, based on the data of your inventory and the popular goods, everything, you will get a data analytic. Okay. And maybe you will ask, we already have our existing vending system. Why will choose yours? It's very complicated. No problem. We can provide our open API. If you prefer to use your own vending system, no problem. You can use our API and integrate with your own software. I think it will be much easier and customer-friendly for your local market. Okay, now I talked a lot and I'm really thirsty. I would like to have a drink. Let's see what I will have. Okay. In the pandemic time, I think everyone prefers the touchless purchase or non-touchment. Then we developed this. Use the QR code, we can finish all the purchase progress on my own mobile phone. So you do not need to touch anyone, any machine. Here. This Nestle is what I want. I will purchase it and pay. I prefer my WeChat Pay. You see the bucket moves to the nicely I want, and the gear matches, he got it, and moves back to the outlet. Did you have your morning tea or morning coffee today?